Okay, now you know what additional step I want you to write, guys. How many 2's are there over here? 2. And how many 3's are there in this? What have I done here? These are 2, so I'm going to put 2 2's are there. And 3 raised to the power 2 because this is 3. Similarly, in the next line, how many 2's are there? Just 1. And how many 3's are there? 3 3's are there. After this step, I want you to write down all the numbers that appear over here. Okay. Welcome to my channel. I'm going to straight away start solving how to find the HCF of two numbers by prime factorization method. For that, first we need to take out the prime factors of these two numbers. I'll show you how to do that if you all don't know. I'm going to just divide this number by 2. 2 into 24 is 48. 2 12s are 24. 2 6s are 12. 2 3s are 6. 3 1s are 3. The minute we reach 1, we stop there. One thing I want you to remember that all these numbers have to be prime numbers. Even if you feel, oh, this 24 goes by 6, so why not put 6 here? It is not allowed because this is prime factorization method. All these numbers need to be prime numbers. I hope you know what are prime numbers. Otherwise, you ask me in the comment section. I will make a separate video on that too. Okay, now take the prime factors of the second number. It goes by 2, so 2 into 36 is 72. Okay, if you don't know how to do this, I'll just do one digit at a time. 2 by 2 into 3 is 6, but we have 7 here. We have 1 extra, so that we carry forward. 2 6 are 12. 2 1s are 2, but we have 3 here. Extra 1 will come here. 18. This is how I'm going to do, okay? Now, be very careful. 9 is not divisible by 2. So, we move to the next prime number, which is 3. 3's are 9. 3 1's are 3. We took out the prime factors. Quickly, I'm going to jot this down here. This part in the 48 thing. And all this as a product of the prime factors, I'm going to write it here quickly, okay? So, 4 2's and 1 3. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 1 3. And this 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. Now what are common in both? 1 2 is here. We'll write that, the common one. Okay, there is another. There's a third common thing also. Then this 2 is not there. This one is not there in this line, so we skip it. And the last pair is here. So once more we write into 3. That's it. Now we multiply these numbers. So it's going to be 2 2's are 4, 4 2's are 8, 8 3's are 24 is the highest common factor of 48 and 72. So the highest common factor of 48 and 72 is 24. Question number 2. Take the prime factors of 60 and 90. Easy. 2 into 30. 2 15's are 30. Now 15 doesn't go by, so I'll move to 3. 2 or 3. See, over here you can either begin with 2 or 3 or 5. That doesn't matter as long as all of them are prime numbers, okay? But then we'll see to it that when we write it here, we write it in the ascending order so that it is easy for us to pick out the common ones. I'm still going to try and do it in the ascending order, but just for your information, you can straight away start dividing by 5 also. Okay, 2 into 45 is 90. 3 15's are 45. 3 5's are 15. 5 1's are 5. Okay, so in 60 what all we have? 2 2's, 1 3 and 1 5. And here 2 into, don't mind my handwriting, guys. Okay, what is common? 1 is 2. Okay, we write it here. The next 2 is not there. Straight away 3 is there. And then 5 is also there. Okay. So 2 3's are 6. 6 5's are 30. So the HCF of 60 and 90 is 30. The third one I'm going to do, and the fourth and the fifth one you have to try on your own. So now come on, the final time I'm going to show you. 3 15's are 3 5's are 15. 5 1's are 5. Okay, I want to start with 5 here. 5 15s are 75, 5 3s are 15, 3 1s are 3. 3 into 30, just to show you that that is correct, okay? Then 3 into 10, 2 5s are 5 1s are. Now you have to be careful, use the ascending order. The first one is already in the ascending order. Ascending means small to big. The second one, first I'll write 3 into 5 into 5. Third one, 2 3 3 5. I'm arranging all this over here in ascending order, smallest to biggest. Common ones. Okay. 2 is not there in anything. Okay. So 3. First one is 3 3 3. It has to be in all the 3 numbers. Then the other 3, it's not in the second line. 5 is there in all 3 lines. So we write that also here. That's it. The HCF of all the 3 numbers is 15. Come on, I think it is clear, guys. Otherwise, you can rewind a little bit, watch the video, and then attempt what I'm going to ask you to do now. Okay, I want you to try these two on your own. I will quickly put up the answers. Pause the video, try it. Okay, I'm doing it now. That's it, guys. I hope you've got both of them correct. Okay, now we are moving to LCM by prime factorization method. First, take the prime factors in a similar manner. There is one additional step in this. Let us see what to do. 2 18s are, 2 9s are, 3 3s are 9, 3 1s are 3. 2 into 27, 3 9s are is 27, 3 3s are is 9, 3 1s are is 3. Okay, so we have 2 2s and 2 3s over here. Then we have 1 2 and 1 2 and 3 3s. Okay, now you know what additional step I want you to write, guys. How many 2s are there over here? 2. And how many 3s are there in this? What have I done here? These are 2, so I'm going to put 2 2s are there, and 3 raised to the power 2 because this is 3. Similarly, in the next line, how many 2s are there? Just 1. And how many 3s are there? 3 3s are there. After this step, I want you to write down all the numbers that appear over here. Okay, all the numbers. So which are all the numbers in this case? It's just 2 and 3. Write the highest power for both. What do I mean by that? For 2, 1 is 2 and this is 1. Which is higher? 2. So we will write this. And for 3, okay, for 3, 1, this is 2 and this is 3. So we are going to write the highest power, which is 3. What does this mean? That is 2 2s and 3 3s. This is the LCM. So what do we do now? 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12, 12 threes are 36 and 36 threes are is 108 na guys. 36 threes are, yeah, 108 is the LCM. I'm going to do two more sums, after which you have to try two on your own, okay? Let us first begin with prime factorizing. I want to do 3 15s is 45, 3 5s are 15, 5 1s are 5. I want to start with 3 20s are 60, 2 10s are 2 5s are 5 1s are. Okay, 45 is 3 into 3 into 5, and this is 2 2s, okay, 1 3 and 1 5. Now, how many 3s are there? 2. And how many 5s? Just 1. How many 2s? 2. How many 3s? 1. And how many 5? 1. Now, write all the numbers that appear there. 1 is 2, next is 3, and then is 5 in the ascending order so that you don't miss out anything. What is the highest degree of 2? It's 2. What about 3? See, 3 here is 2 and here is 1. So, we are going to take 2. And what about 5? 5 is just 1 in both cases. So, we will take 1. This means 2 2s, 2 3s and 1 5. Okay, the multiplication is going to be a little tougher. 5 3s are 15, 15 3s are 45, 45 2s are 90, 90 2s are 180. I hope this is clear, guys. This is a very important step, and if you don't revise it just before the test, you will say, oh my god, what had she done? I don't remember. So please revise it. This is the last sum I'm doing before you have to try on your own, okay? Two into 5, 5 1s are. 2 3s are is 6, carry 1, 2 6 are is 12. 2 18s are 36, 2 9s are 18, 3 3s are 9, 3 1s are 3. 2 into 60. Do you think I can write this, guys? 10 6 are? No, we cannot, because 10 is not a prime number. Okay, now how many in 40? 2 2 2 and 5. 2 2 and 5. In 72, 3 2s and 2 3s. And 120, 3 2s, 3 and 5. Now what do? We write the degrees. How many 2s are there? 3. How many 5s? 1. Everywhere we have to write. Don't skip anything. 2 again 3. This is equal to 7, okay? And 3 is 2. Here 2, 3. 3 is 1. 5 is 1. This is clear now, guys. What is this 2 3? This is 3 1 2 3. So I'm writing 2 raised to the power 3. Then 3 is only 1 and 5 is only 1. Now take down all the numbers possible over here. 1 is 2, 3 and 5 only, right? 3 numbers we have. 2 3 5. Highest power of 2 in all the 3 lines. Okay, it's 3 everywhere. Highest power of 3. 3 is only 1. No, 3 is 2. Okay, 3 is 2 and 5 is 1. So LCM is 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 5. Where do I get all this from? 1 2 3, because this is 3, 2, okay, 1 and 2, and this is 1. So what is the LCM by prime factorization of 40, 72 and 120? Let us multiply. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 5s are 40, 43s are 120, 123s are 360. I just take the numbers which I find very comfortable to multiply. If you find it difficult, please don't make silly mistakes. Now you have to try 2 on your own. I hope you're ready. This is it. Start. Pause the video. Okay, I'm putting up the answers. That's all that we have today. In the next video, I'm planning to do by division method, which is extremely important because that is the method most people use in the higher grades also. So until then, thank you so much for watching. Kindly subscribe to the channel to watch more such videos. Thank you. Bye bye.